In this video, we will look at zones and how we can create an instance of datetime from ZoneIds. So let's create a new class, and the name of the class is ZoneExample. And let's create public static void main. And inside public static void main, what we'll be doing first is that I'll be printing out all the zone IDs which are available. So get an instance of ZoneId from Java8 and .get available zone IDs and .stream and .for each and print out system.out : println. Now let's run this example. So you can see that it printed out all the zones which are available, which are approximately 600 zones, and you can see all the zones which are available here. So now let's see that because I am the Chicago zone, I just want to print out what's the time right now in Europe and London zone. So what I'll do first is that I will print out and here and let's copy this. Plus zone date time. So there is a zone date time class which is provided, where you can provide the zone and it will give you the zone date and time. So zone date time dot now, and you can provide zone ID dot off and the string which we copied, which is Europe and London. And let's run this example. So you can see that time in London right now is 04:40:24. So in this way you can create zone date time instance using the zone IDs and use that zone date and time to do your calculations. Now let's create another example. In this example I'll be using the New York zone. So South, and this is America / new _ York plus zoned date time dot now, and let's move it to the next line, and zone ID dot off America / New York. Now let's run this example. So you can see that it has printed the time which is in New York right now and provided the zone also. The time in New York is 23:41:53.77. So this is how you can create an instance of zone date time using zones.